This time, Ta-K will cook the fall to winter delicacy, sweet potatoes.
Oh, it's exciting.
Steamed potatoes versus steam roasted potatoes. In the last part, he compares steamed and steam roasted sweet potatoes. This year's sweet potato harvest took place on October 2nd. The sweet potatoes were then stored in a cool place for 2 months.
Sweet potatoes are rich in starch, which slowly changes into maltose after harvesting due to the enzyme beta-amylase in the potato, making them sweet. Therefore, I did not eat the potatoes immediately after harvesting, but are stored in a cool place for 1 to 2 months to continue the sugar conversion.
Wash potatoes and remove the root. Cooking sweet potatoes in a rice cooker. Place the sweet potatoes in the rice cooker. Put 2 medium and 1 small size potatoes, add 1 cup 200 milliliters of water, and cook. Cooking time is approximately 50 minutes. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, gather the momiji leaves from the garden for decoration.
Momiji is one of the Japanese trees that change color beautifully from fall to winter. Enjoying the autumn leaves is called Momiji-Gari, momiji hunting in Japan.
Steamed sweet potatoes are ready. If the skewer goes smoothly into the sweet potato, it is done. Under these conditions, 1 cup of water was enough to keep some water on the bottom after cooking. This is the finished sweet potato using the rice cooker.
The taste is simple but tasty.
Next, bake the steamed sweet potatoes in a toaster at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. The surface is finished with butter. The rice cooker cooks at a high temperature for a short time. Amylase is inactivated at 75 degrees Celsius, so the potatoes do not become as sweet when cooked.
The optimal reaction temperature for beta-amylase is 65 degrees. So it may be interesting to consider whether to pre-cook sweet potato at 65 degrees in a rice cooker or not. The pre-treatment may result in a sweeter taste. Wow!
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it. Steamed potatoes versus steam roasted potatoes.
One question is whether it is better to steam the sweet potato in a rice cooker or additionally toast them in a toaster. If you are busy, I recommend steamed sweet potatoes, which are easy to make in the rice cooker. But if you have time, I recommend toast roasted sweet potatoes because the flavor and aroma are both up to notch when you roasted them after steaming them. Please check the comparison table in greater detail.
Thank you very much for your watching.